You ready, Papa? Oh my God, another day, another dollar, a little bit more snow. Look at this, it's crazy. It's like, yo, I just washed my car yesterday too, man. We just washed the car yesterday, didn't we, Papa? Come on, let's go. Crazy. I like this kind of weather though, so y'all gonna see how the Hellcat pretty much drive in this weather. No, we're not going to car wash, Papa, because it's snowing. It's gonna be pointless to wash the car today. All right, I'm gonna brush it off for you though, and then we're gonna go. You know what I'm saying? Big stainless works right there. Don't worry, that's getting put in real soon. So for those who've never took a CDL test, right? For DMV, the way they do it is you keep answering questions until you get 11 wrong. Now, when you get 11 wrong, it either stops your test and tell you you failed, or it stops your test and tell you you passed, because you have to get 40 right as well. So you have to get 40 right to pass. Even if you get 40 right, it won't say you passed until you finish each question. So you could get 42 right and 8 wrong, and it won't tell you until the end of the test, right? But it will tell you as soon as you get 11 wrong, right? As soon as you get 11 wrong, regardless if you pass or fail, it's gonna stop the test, right? So mind y'all, there's 50 questions, right? So I get all the way to, you know what I'm saying? I answer like a good 25 questions before I even skip one. Oh yeah, so you can skip the one that you really don't know, and then it goes back to them once you go through the first 50 questions. So I'm doing real good. I'm on like question 25. I ain't skipped nothing yet. I get to about 30. I ain't skipped none yet. Then I got to about 35 and I started skipping like 1 or 2 here, right? So I'm thinking, I must be good. I'm all the way in the 40s and I ain't failed yet. I keep taking my test, right? Questions starting to get a little harder. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Questions definitely starting to get a little harder, a little more detailed, a little more complicated, right? I get about 45, 50. I'm like, all right, bet. So we got the 50 questions. We ain't failed yet, so we lit. We gonna pass. We looking good right now. We roll back to the questions that we skipped, right? So I'm like, all right, we back to the questions I skipped. We gotta get these right, because it seems like I only need like 1 or 2 more maybe to pass, or I could need 1 or 2 more to fail. You don't know. It don't tell you which ones you got right. It don't tell you which ones you got wrong so far. So it's really hard to tell. So you can't just be thinking, you know what I'm saying, that you good money, because it could take 1 to pass, 1 to fail. You never know. So I'm like, all right, bet. Let me try to answer this question with the best of my ability. So the best way of doing it for the test I've taken so far is multiple choice. It's out of the best out of 3 answers. So obviously there's 2 wrong answers, 1 right answer. So the first thing I go to do is, all right, which one of these answers do I know 100% is not right? So I'm like, all right, boom, I single that one out. So now it's 50-50. So I got two options to choose. It's 50-50 now. So I'm like, all right, bet. We gonna just pick the best answer. Go to pick that joint. Boop. Are you sure you want to click this answer? I'm like, hell yeah, this gotta be it. Boop. That shit said fail. I was like, oh man. So let me tell y'all something, right? You need 40 questions to pass. If you get 11 wrong before the 40, it ends your test right away. When I tell y'all I got 37 questions right, and I needed 3 more to pass, I was pissed off. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Pissed off. I needed 3 more questions to pass, y'all. So I got 33 out of that 40 right. I got 33 out of the 50. You only need 40 to pass. When I tell y'all I was pissed off, son, that I only needed 3 more to get that joint and just be done with this testing and studying, pissed off, y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all. So that's the update with the CDL. I took it 2 more times that same day, but you know when you pissed off, you try to retake the test, you do even worse. Not even gonna lie, I took it 2 more times and I was so mad, because at first I thought I passed. I thought I 100% passed the first time. So I was just pissed off the whole time I was taking the test again. So the second time I got 28 right, And then I'm like, you know what? I took that test with a little bit of anger. Let me try it one more time. Let me calm down for like a couple minutes. So I sat down, I cooled off for a couple minutes. I took it again, right? Failed it again. I had got 33 right on the third try though, but the main thing I was so pissed off about was the first time that I went in there and actually sat down, I got 37 right and I only needed 3 more to pass, y'all. So we gonna go, we back to the book again. We gonna go back to the book. We gonna study some more. You may study or whatever, the questions aren't the same when you go to take the test. They reword them a little bit different, but the answers are still the same. It's very similar. You just gotta take your time on each question and actually read them. Cause they may flip or swap a couple words in there that might throw you off. So that's the that's the one part about the test. You just gotta literally take your time and read every question, reread that joint. I ain't even gonna lie, I be rereading them just to make sure I understand what the question is actually asking me. Let me know how y'all going. If anybody else on this journey with me with the CDL, man, the CDL is real, bro. And I'm telling y'all, when I was on fire, bro. I was on fire when cause it tell you right away. As soon as you click that last one wrong, you got 11 wrong, it be like, boop, boop, you've exceeded the maximum amount you can get wrong. I seen that shit. I was like, bruh, fuck this test. I ain't even want to take it no more. I was so mad. But that's the update with the CDL. So we getting crazy weather in upstate New York right now, man. Nothing but foggy snow. That's all we getting. Crazy. But you know, we still doing what we gotta do. We not playing no games. We out here. Once we get near the shop, I'm gonna probably turn the camera back on. And then I have to drop it off, like I stated before. I have to drop it off. I'm gonna leave it there while they do whatever work they gotta do. And then due to COVID, we can't sit there and watch it. So I'm gonna drop it off, they're gonna do the work. Are you gonna go? Jesus Christ. All right, so we got my young boy dropped off. We headed to the shop, y'all. We're gonna go right now. I'm gonna probably turn the camera back off my ride back over there. And then I'll turn the camera on once I get there. So we about to be pulling up to the shop right now. I just want to give y'all a quick little pull. We in eco mode though, cause it's big slushy out, so I ain't going crazy. Look at that, still slipping. Tell y'all, man, that supercharger will never get old, bruh. Oh my gosh, it sounds so crazy. But we pulling up to the shop right now, man. Make sure y'all come check out my boys at Exotic Auto Boutique right here, man. Cool as hell. I'm about to take care of the car for us today. Oh, big donuts. I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna be doing all that in a parking lot. Oh, ooh, this should be crazy. This is about the deepest snow I ever driven in right here. Alright, so we good money right there. I just gotta put my mask on, go in there. Y'all think we should put it in valet mode? I don't think they're gonna drive my shit. Fuck that, you never know. Can't trust the motherfucker. So, boom. Oh, that boy Mateo. I'm vlogging, bro. Zombies? Yo. Hey, we got the zombies? Say that. Say that. I'm dropping my car off at this I'm dropping my car off to the shop right now. I gotta catch a lift back home when I get back home.
What, you about to put a new spoiler on that shit?
Nah, I'm getting a tent film on the back.
Oh shit, bro.
Yeah, so
get on the game.
I'm about to, bro. Give me like 15. I gotta wait for my lift, and then I get on.
Turn to 30.
Yo, niggas is terrible, bro. All right, I got you. All right, let's go in real quick. Ooh, yeah, that's about the deepest I ever been in the snow right there. That's the deepest the most snow I've ever seen. This is what they need. Make sure y'all come check my boys out, man. Exotic Auto Boutique, man. They one-stop shop. They do everything. Everything. Y'all see the big Mozzie up here. Yo. So let me show y'all what we got done. Already started the car just to see it for myself, and I like it, bro. That shit look hard. So let me show y'all real quick. Y'all can already pretty much see what's going on before I even turn it on. So it's, oh my gosh, she cleaned up pretty nice. Them boys cleaned the car as well, man. I appreciate them. All they had to do was put that film on. They washed the whole car too. So she looking real good right now. Real good right now. But let me show y'all, man. Let me show y'all these touches that I did to the whip for now, man. I like this joint. It's not crazy. But y'all know we gotta get the crazy. Big shout out to my boy Day_392 on Instagram, man. I'm gonna put his links in, but look at that. That joint looks so hard. Ooh, I gotta take some pictures. And y'all know we got the top level camera, so we gotta take pictures now. Like, I've been taking pictures with the camera for like the last 3-4 days now, cause the camera quality on the pictures is crazy. So yeah, let me get some pictures of this shit real quick. This joint hard. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. That joint hard. I like it, y'all. That joint cleaned up real good. But let me get in the car, though. I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna get in the car because I'm cold. Woo! All right, so we back in the car, man. I gotta go pick up Javon. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Let me know how y'all like the tail lights. My girl actually liked the full line. She liked seeing the full line. So when I pulled up and showed her, she was just like, oh, not a full line don't show no more. I was like, oh, but you like the full line. I like it too, but I feel like that design gives it more of like its uniqueness, man. Like, not too many cars got it. And like I said, big shout out to Day392 on Instagram. Y'all gonna see his link in the bottom. He did real good with those designs, man. I love them. Listen, tomorrow we getting mods put on. I'm talking about go fast parts. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that video for sure, because I'm hyped. I've been holding back on buying crazy mods or whatever, but I told y'all when the new year started that I was gonna go all in. I was gonna give my heart to this car, which I am. I'm gonna do everything. I'm going hard on everything this year. Everything, anything that means something to me, I'm going hard on this year. Just so we can make big on it, man. We could just be successful, bro. So that's all you gotta do, man. Stick to your plans, man, and keep going. Push all the way through. Don't give up midway. And that's what we doing all year, though. But y'all know the vibes, man. I'ma say it every day. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, man. I'ma see you on the next video, man. Peace.